Hello everyone, welcome back to Unbox Grid. Today we are looking at how to take a screenshot on an Apple iPad with an Apple Pencil. In front of us we have an Apple iPad Pro and an Apple Pencil from Gen 2, but the way we take the screenshot largely remains the same. So before we take the screenshot, just make sure that the Apple Pencil is connected to your iPad. It gets connected via Bluetooth, and if not, if you have the Gen 2, you just need to place the pencil at the top and it should get connected if the Bluetooth is turned on. So now let's see whether the pencil is connected or not. Yeah, it's connected. Before we see how to take the screenshot, let's go to the settings icon first, and in here on the left menu, find out Apple Pencil. Then on the right hand side at the very bottom, you will find an option named Pencil Gestures, and in there you have bottom left corner and bottom right corner. You can use any of those options, but for this video we will use the bottom left corner and click on that very option, and you can see that the screenshot option is already selected. That means I will be using my bottom left corner to take the screenshot of the screen which is being rendered. So let's see how we can take the screenshot now. We'll go to the home screen, take the pencil in hand, and now you have to place the pencil on the exact corner or the exact vertices of the corner and then pull it towards the very center, and you can see the screenshot is automatically taken. Now just let's take the screenshot once again. If you take it from any other direction, like from the left or the right, or if you miss the direction on the same vertices or the same corner, it won't take the screenshot. You have to exactly take it from the very corner, and you can see the gesture changes completely of the screen. So this is how you take a screenshot on Apple iPad with an Apple Pencil. Thank you for watching.